We really don't need a GPU or graphic card to run AI models on our machines. In this video, I'm going to run two tests using the Gemma 412B with the LM Studio. The first test will be LM Studio Vulkan driver, and the second one will be the LM Studio, the CPU only. To show you the first run, going to use the GPU B70 from Intel, and the second GPU will be RTX 5070. For the CPU run, the Ultra 7, the 265. As always, our prompt is well designed and long one this time. Create a complete business plan for cafe in Munich. And it has many points, covering almost 20 points. The link for the prompt and the result will be in the down section below. Let's start the LM Studio. As you can see, on a Vulkan driver for now, and I will just attach the prompt. I will get back to you after it's done. Okay, everyone, the model is done. It generated for us a great business plan. The generation token number is 31 per second, and the processing was 4,612 tokens. The time for the first token took almost 7 or 6.5 seconds. We will get back to those after we run the test for the CPU. Okay, everyone, after a long time, almost maybe 30 minutes, the CPU is done. As you can see, I'm using CPU version. Token generation only 6 tokens, which is almost 5 times or slower than the Vulkan driver. And here the token generation is really not so much different. It's almost no difference. Here we have it as 4,564 tokens. The time for the first token took almost 50 seconds. So here you go. I hope that's give you a clarity about the difference between the GPU and the CPU. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.